हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। आज हमारे बीच कुचिपुड़ी की एक बेहद फेमस प्रसिद्ध नृत्यांगना उपस्थित हैं, रोहिणी मैम। इन्होंने कई बेहद खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए, जिसमें प्रभात संगीता जय श्री शंभू भी शामिल रहा। इन्होंने इसके साथ ही लास्यांगा स्कूल ऑफ कुचिपुड़ी की स्थापना की, जहाँ वे और भी लोगों को हमारे ट्रेडिशनल वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट डांस फॉर्म कुचिपुड़ी सिखाती हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं उनके बारे में। हेलो मैम।
नमस्ते।
कुचिपुड़ी और कथक में बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं एंड डिफरेंसेस हैं, तो हाउ डू यू सी देम इन्फ्लुएंसिंग ईच अदर?
तो जो भी भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैलियाँ हैं, उनका आधार एक ग्रंथ है नाट्यशास्त्र, जो भरत मुनि द्वारा लिखा गया है। तो कोई भी नाट्य शैली आप लेंगे, क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स, all the dance forms have their sources from नाट्यशास्त्र. They follow नाट्यशास्त्र to expand and develop themselves. तो उस प्रकार से जैसे नाट्यशास्त्र में जो आंगिकाभिनय बोला गया है, वाचिकाभिनय बोला गया है, आहार्यम ये कॉस्ट्यूम बोला गया है, उसी से लेके इनपुट्स सारे आर्ट फॉर्म्स डेवलप हुए हैं। तो द सिमिलैरिटीज आर देयर बिकॉज द सोर्स इज वन. हाउ डू दे डिफ्रेंशिएट इज देर इज अ रीजनल फ्लेवर टू एवरी डांस फॉर्म. कुचिपुड़ी में आंध्रा का नेटिविटी दिखता है, कथक में नॉर्थ का नेटिविटी दिखता है, अगर आप मोहिनी अट्टम लेंगे तो केरला का नेटिविटी दिखता है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ द लिटरेचर, द लिरिक, द म्यूजिक एंड अगेन द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ देयर ओन कल्चर ऑन द डांस. सो इस तरह से वो अलग है पर टुगेदर भी है, क्योंकि देर इज़ वन सिंगल जो बोलते हैं कि माला को बांधने वाला सूत्र एक ही है नाट्यशास्त्र में. तो सिमिलैरिटीज़ होंगे, जैसे हस्तमुद्राएं होती हैं, सिमिलैरिटीज़ है जो नाट्यशास्त्र में यूज़ करते हैं, बोला गया है पताका, त्रिपताका, अर्धपताका, कर्तरीमुख, सारे डांस फॉर्म्स में आपको मिलेंगे. उसी तरह जो पैर के मूवमेंट्स हों सारे मिलेंगे आपको, पर प्रकट करने का तरीका अलग होगा और वो रीजनल फ्लेवर के साथ होगा. दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेरियस फॉर्म्स दैट यू सी. कॉस्ट्यूम, आप जब कथक, पहले द मोमेंट द डांसर एंटर्स ऑन स्टेज, फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट्यूम यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई दिस इज कथक. एंड व्हेन अ डांसर लाइक कुचिपुड़ी डांसर का एक कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, वो देखते हैं, भले ही आप जाने ना, like North Indians may not, some few may not know about a South Indian style, but then they can differentiate the moment two dancers stand on stage. The initial differentiation comes from the costume. So like this there are number of then technical different technically they'll be different in different ways. वो तो technical aspect है, but when you see, first thing is the costume, second thing is the song. लाइक कथक में आप हिंदुस्तानी म्यूज़िक का यूज़ होता है, उपयोग होता है, और कुचिपुड़ी में कर्नाटिक स्टाइल ऑफ म्यूज़िक का यूज़ होता है. तो ऐसे डायरेक्ट डिफरेंसेस किसी को भी समझ में आएगा.
एंड मैम, कुचिपुड़ी इज लाइक आई हैव रेड अबाउट कि कुचिपुड़ी इज द oldest, like
it is there are historical evidences which say that Kuchipudi dates back to 14th century.
Yeah, it is oldest.
Yes, it is very old, and it's a very ancient and traditional classical dance form that is there. All the art forms are they date back to many centuries ago, but then yes, Kuchipudi is also very very ancient, comes back almost from 14th century.
Yes, ma'am. It is one of the oldest
Yes.
Dance form, and like in 21st century also, you people are making it looking forward.
Yes,
and
yes.
उसको आगे हमारे साथ like ताकि हम भी जाने उसके बारे में एंड आगे भी हम उसको परस्यू कर सके. तो मैम लाइक क्या आप कभी जैसे बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारे न्यू फ्यूजन्स लाइक न्यू जॉनर आ रहे हैं डांस के, लाइक बॉलीवुड और मेनी अदर थिंग्स, like have you ever experienced like experimented कुचिपुड़ी with fusion and how do you see it? या क्या आप कभी किसी परफॉर्मर्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया आपने कभी?
Fusion in the terms of
like
modern dance forms or other dance styles, other classical dance styles?
like both.
Both. जुगलबंदी जैसे तो किया है along with मोहिनीअट्टम एंड ओडिसी. That was one एक तरह का फ्यूजन ही है, फ्यूजन ऑफ टू थ्री क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स. So that's a unique experience, of course. मतलब but then there is मतलब though there are differences, there are similarities. तो ऐसे किया है. With modern म्यूज़िक ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ कि फ्यूजन मैंने किया है, बट देन वी टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स. जैसे ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म्स में क्या होता है, द माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज आर द बेसिस फॉर डूइंग आवर डांस. जैसे लिटरेचर कहाँ से आता है, रामायण से आता है, भारत से आता है, भागवतम से आता है. इन्हीं कहानियों पे प्राइमरीली डांस फॉर्म्स चलती हैं. मतलब हम जो नृत्य करते हैं उसका बेसिस ये स्टोरीज होते हैं. बट विथ चेंजिंग टाइम्स, अडेप्टिंग, we have done a number of ballets on social themes, women empowerment, on India, independence, freedom fighter struggles, women struggles. So ऐसे नए नए concepts लेके किए हैं, which are the concepts are contemporary. I cannot say the music. And we have also done something called आप मतलब जो शिरडी साई के भक्त हैं वो जानते हैं, दे सिंग मराठी हारतीस ऑफ बाबर शिरडी साई के. उस पर भी कुचिपुड़ी हमने किया है. और प्रभात संगीत में भी मैंने हाल ही में प्रेजेंट किया है कुचिपुड़ी. सो द आर्ट फॉर्म इज यूनिवर्सल. To where you want to apply it is your own creativity. So I did not fusion, of course. This way I have used Carnatic music which comes with the modern orchestration. ऐसे rhythms पे मैंने किया है. So this is the experimentation that we have done.
Ma'am, do you have any like particular performance, yours or others, anyone like which is very close to your heart?
Many will be there. Many, when we get good applause or appreciation from our guru, because when he teaches us and we meet the expectations of the guru at some point, then we get the appreciation that is very close to heart. Then if we are able to connect to the audience and convey through our dance and get appreciation for them, if we can move them, and then they come back and tell us, so like that many will be there, not one particular. And then we get inspired from great gurus and their performances all the time, all the time. So I cannot point out a particular performance. I had the good opportunity of in Kuchipudi style, performing both male and female roles. जैसे मैंने गंगा किया, पार्वती किया, यक्षिणी किया, सीता किया, गांधारी किया. ऐसे फीमेल लीड्स मैंने किए. उसी तरह मैंने श्री राम जी का रोल प्ले किया, अर्जुन का रोल किया, शिव जी का रोल प्ले किया. तो दिस गुड फॉर्चून आई हैड दैट आई कुड प्ले बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल लीड्स एंड get appreciation for both. So that is a special thing for me.
Wow, ma'am. Like we always like I do a little bit of theater thing, but like we have one role which we
Okay.
have to play. But now, like in this form, you can play both the
Because each production has a different each production will
Yeah.
have different characters, and I had the good fortune of being picked up by Messer for various roles, so I got the opportunity to play various roles in various productions.
Ma'am, turning our hobbies into career needs courage. So, like, ma'am, what motivated you to pursue कुचिपुड़ी and like take it, मतलब यहाँ तक पहुँचाने के लिए कुचिपुड़ी, like who was your guru and who was your motivator for this?
I trained from 2-3 gurus, but my primary guru is Professor Bhagavatula Sethuram sir, who has retired as HOD Dance Department from Telugu University, Hyderabad. He is my primary guru. And of course, Guru's blessings and motivations. What made me to choose this as a profession is just passion, because it is extremely tough like all careers are challenging these days. There is no easy way. You have to do it, you have to work hard, you have to put in a lot of effort. But this is a very, it's not a tried and tested career कि ये करेंगे तो इसका ये जॉब लगेगा, इसका इतना फिक्स्ड सैलरी आएगा, ऐसा कुछ फ्रेमवर्क नहीं है. So there is a constant struggle on a daily basis, on a periodical basis. You're not very sure, now it is a little better. The income that you can generate from art form is not very certain. But then there are many who follow their passion and who do not think so much about the finances. And if they are in good position, if they are comfortable otherwise, my husband take care of the family requirements or financial requirements. I'm not dependent on my art form to earn my livelihood. So I am at a position of advantage. So I pursue my passion. For all, it may not be so. There are quite a few challenges. But then what I will say is, if you are really interested, follow your passion, because this is a world of opportunities also. This is time of a world full of opportunities. Pursue your passion. Ensure that you are academically qualified in your passion. It is so important now. Like a few years back or a couple of decades back, not having an academic qualification in art wouldn't matter much, because they would judge based on your performance and your knowledge. Now it is not so. Everywhere they ask for an academic qualification. तो अगर आपको आर्ट परस्यू करना भी है तो उसमें पहले एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. फिर अपना पैशन है, अपना हार्डवर्क है, तो डेफिनेटली आई एम श्योर कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे तो surely success will come, will follow.
Ma'am, like since now AI is transforming everything, like do you see digital media taking shape in this field also? Like how it was taught earlier and how it is being taught now, what will be the future? If AI will also play any role in this?
Because I'm not a tech savvy person, I do not understand much about the capabilities of AI. What are the options, available that we can use with AI? I'm not well aware, but then it is an age of internet. It is an age of technology, and technology has helped artists in more than one ways. The negative aspects are also there. Everything is there, plus and minus of everything is there. But with technology, the music that we can create, primarily dance के लिए music बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So the kind of music that we can create, the kind of exposure that we get. पहले ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि we had to go to different places to watch performances of great artists. Now it is your passion which drives you. Everything is on the platter. Internet में सब है. You watch, you learn, you have your base. One thing is very important. AI cannot give a human connect. And all the Indic studies, I feel, need the Guru Shishya Parampara structure, format to learn. वो बेसिस होना चाहिए. उसके ऊपर आप जितने सारे महल बनाना चाहते हो आप बनाओ. यू यूज़ योर टेक्नोलॉजी, यू एक्सपैंड योर एक्सपोजर बढ़ाओ, एक्सपैंड करो, बट देन जो कोर है उसको इंटैक्ट रखो. सो टेक्नोलॉजी और AI, if it can help art form, why not use it? Definitely.
Ma'am, just like we are students, we have stress before exams, and you people like have performance anxiety. So what is your formula to deal with this? What is your technique to stay calm before the performances?
We have to cultivate patience. Anxiety, see, exam hai, it is your preparation, you put it on paper, you deliver. To an extent, it is dependent on you. Okay, but when it comes to a performance, for an artist, there are multiple factors involved. Your orchestra should support you that point in time. Jitna bhi aap riyaz kiye ho. On stage, it is like, there can be multiple factors that can go a little wrong. Orchestra, lighting, your sound system, weather. We plan something, then there's a rain. then we are not sure. Guests coming, media, you know, the publicity that you want to give or you would like to give after the performance. Many fact, it's dependent on many people. Your performance or your validation is dependent on so many factors. So stress is constant, but we have to learn to deal with it because it's a part of the job. What I do is more riyaz, more practice, more practice, more practice. That is the only thing that will de-stress me. And calm, patience is something you have to cultivate. When you know it is the requirement, you cultivate it and you just go.
Ma'am, as a female, I admire you a lot. So, like in this industry, have you ever faced any gender-based discrimination, and how did you overcome that?
Challenges are, as a woman, are there. They are there in every field. A little more here, little more here. We have to be intelligent, we have to be smart. We cannot crib that ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो गया, ये कैसे हो गया, मैं ऐसी नहीं थी, मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. No, people will deal with you as they want to, but then your actions, your reactions, and अगर आपकी कला मीने की है, end of the day someone should remember you for your art. If they respect your art, you're earning your respect and then your behavior. Then there are shortcut ways where people want to, become successful fast. It's everyone's choice. Some may be a little reticent, they may not want to, and they just want to grow purely based on their art. It takes time, it's a slow process, tortoise jaise, but then you will have your satisfaction, and you will have to be smart and navigate the situations, because every step you'll find people, every step you'll find people who will demotivate you, who will try to dominate you, who will try to who will try to cancel you. And being a woman, there are other challenges also, but then it's okay. It's okay. Every field has it. You just have to be firm but positive. Do not get demotivated. Do not take the negative side of it. You want to progress, so you take all the challenges. You be calm. You take the challenges one step at a time. Things will fall in place, I feel.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, do you want to add any last words for the students who are studying here and message?
Mm, I find very, very bright spirit in BITS Mesra. Whatever I have. In fact, the youth in general of this generation, they are very smart. They're very intelligent. They are not what we would learn in 10 years. They can learn it in 2 years. They are that intelligent. They're so talented, because I see the younger generation when I teach my students also, very smart. They have those. Only thing I would tell is channelize your energies into achieving things that will make you happy. Do not digress. That focus, if you keep, then the world is open, for all the success. And consistency is the key. Just irrespective of whatever challenges you might face, if you have a passion, pursue it consistently. Look for opportunities. We have to create our own opportunities. कोई आके हमारे घर में दरवाजा खटखटा के कोई नहीं देगा, और बाहर जाके पता करने में, opportunities ढूंढने में, there's no shame in that. So with that positive attitude, you go, you improve your skills, you make yourself the best in whatever you are trying to, and then look for opportunities. Definitely successful, everyone will be. But then keep a calm mind also. Stress is a very big thing. Students get quite stressed. उसके लिए arts help. Follow any passion, music, painting, or instruments, or dance, or anything. That will be your stress busters.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for today.